Okay guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? And of course guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you, okay? So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so guys, these have been playing around there for a while, and of course, we are expecting it to break out from here in order for it to buy more. Okay, so if that happens, then definitely it's going to buy more. However, if it should break out below this support zone, it's definitely going to sell more at that particular time. But for now, this is still buying. It is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 actually started a downtrend right from here, which came to an end at this point, okay? And right from there, so it started an uptrend and it got to this region, but presently it is having a pullback, okay? So it is selling at the moment. We are expecting it to see, we want to see if it's going to break out from here, okay? So if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's still going to sell more and maybe targeting this region, okay? So this is very, very important. But if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back up and break out above this structure, okay? So this is very, very important. So this is selling at the moment. It might not be for long before it will change the direction into a full uptrend, okay? That is if it does not break out from the support region. Now the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Like I said, PayNext 1200, in my last video I told you that we are waiting for it to give us a good signal for a buy, and give us at this point, and as you can see, it has been buying since then and it is still buying right now, okay? So we expect it to get to this region, okay, before we can analyze further. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999. This also has been on uptrend after breaking out from this resistance zone, and it has been buying since then, and it is still buying right now. Okay, if we should check on higher time, we're going to see where it is heading to. Okay, so let's check that out. Okay, so we can see that this is trying to target this region. Okay, if it gets there and breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then it will go into a full downtrend right from there. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. So next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been on uptrend right from here, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend right from there and it has been selling. So that is why I always tell you, if you stick to trend trading strategy, you are most likely to milk the market with it, okay? This has actually given us 607,106,000, 607,106 points, okay? So, and it is still going to sell more, okay? That is one beautiful thing about it. But before it can sell more, it needs to break out from this support region, okay? So we should take note of that. So this is giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.